Today we are here with FPL, and what we're doing is training the new onboarding schools that FPL has provided the equipment for Electrathon.
It teaches engineering principles, mechanical principles, as they all develop all the skills from electronics to gears to even machine welding, fabrication.
2, 1, go!
This is a STEM-based program. We're giving them instructions on how to build their vehicles. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into building and maintaining these cars that's valuable skills for students in their futures.
The kit looked really good. The frame looks like it's going to be really fun to build around. The different rivets and all that stuff, there's a lot of parts to really see how it can work together.
It was really cool watching them dig into everything. There's hundreds of parts and pieces and boxes and bags of stuff in here. And watching them all just dig the boxes open, talk about what they're most excited about. Some of them are excited to work on the frame, steering, and suspension. Some of them were actually excited to do the wiring. A couple of them just want to drive and have fun.
It allows the students to learn about electricity, learn about amperage, maintain batteries. It helps with that whole thing. It ties into future jobs out there.
I think Electrathon will help me in the fact that I personally haven't gotten a lot of hands-on experience because I'm really early into high school. I'm only a sophomore. This is really an opportunity getting hands-on with the wiring, the mechanical components, and really seeing how this car works.
These kids are going to be developing automotive and engineering technologies for the future, and so it's exciting to see projects like this inspire them that they can do it.
I like STEM because it can be a practical application of everything you learn in school. All the sciences and math classes that you take, you get to put them into real-world applications and see how these numbers on a page become something that actually gives you a result.
I want to see it grow into something that's really big. We're on the right track, and FPL is doing a great job of involving new schools and new people into the sport of Electrathon.